tray ceilings rise in the morning light. The open floor plan flows room to room across from the Ocean Bay Wetlands Preserve. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, about 2,400 square feet. Brick and stone with a palm out front, looking so complete. A big island kitchen where the good days start. Split bedrooms give every space its part. Screened in nights by the fireplace glow. Built-in outdoor kitchen ready to go. This Southside home has a come on in beat. Warm wood cabinetry wraps the kitchen wall. Pendant lights fall on the oversized island. Granite counters meet a detailed tile splash. The gas cooktop shines beneath the stainless hood. A deep island sink faces the open rooms. A pantry doorway sparked to the stainless style. A chandelier lights a dining bar nook. Wine rack and beverage fridge make it feel just right. Bay windows brighten the tray ceiling room. A built-in bench waits under the sunlight. Granite double vanity shine in the bath. Frameless glass surrounds the whack and shower. 2 shower fixtures and a bench feel calm. Spray foam insulation works quietly inside. 2 tankless water heaters keep comfort on demand. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, about 2,400 square feet. A brick and stone with a palm out front, looking so complete. A big island kitchen where the good days start. Split bedrooms give every space its part. Screened in nights by the fireplace glow. Built an outdoor kitchen ready to go. This Southside home has a come on in.